In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Behance language on the web version. If you're new to the platform or simply need to switch languages, it's an easy process that should only take a few moments. Whether you're adjusting it for personal preference or to accommodate collaboration needs, swapping languages in Behance is user-friendly and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Behance website. As you land on any Behance page, you might notice the sleek design and vibrant visuals. As stunning as it may be, finding your way around, especially if the interface isn't in your preferred language, can be a bit of a challenge. Fortunately, Behance has made language settings accessible right from its footer menu, ensuring you can switch to a language you're comfortable with, quickly and easily. Now, here's what you need to do. Scroll down to the bottom left corner of any Behance page. Depending on your screen size and resolution, you might have to travel down a bit, but once you get to the end of the page, you'll locate the footer area. It's a useful section filled with additional links and information, but keep your eyes peeled for a language menu. This menu is usually a drop-down that conveniently displays your current language preference. It serves as a quick access point for altering the language setting. Next, go ahead and click on this drop-down menu. You'll be presented with a list of various language options that Behance supports. This setup is particularly advantageous for global users who need to interact with the platform in different languages. If your focus shifts from one region to another, or if you're collaborating internationally, this easy access is crucial. So, take a moment to scan the list and find your preferred language. Once you've identified your language of choice, simply click on it. With this selection, you're telling Behance to reload the page in your selected language, which it does almost instantaneously. It's a quick refresh, and voila! The entire interface updates right before your eyes to reflect your new language setting. This swift transition helps keep your workflow uninterrupted. There you have it. A simple but effective change that enhances both usability and functionality. Remember, this isn't a permanent setting. You can revisit the language menu anytime you need to make a switch, which is especially helpful if you're working across different projects that require varied linguistic settings. Thank you for watching this tutorial on changing the language in Behance's web version. I hope you found it informative and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy creating!